Hey guys, your friend Adeyemi Oluwaseun is here. On today's video, I'm going to walk you through how you're going to claim free Binance Earn token, right? So all you need to do to claim this token is TrustWallet. You need TrustWallet or MetaTask, but I will be using a TrustWallet application to claim this coin right here. Okay, and after that, you just need small amount of money in your Binance, that is smart chain BNB, to pay the transaction fee to TrustWallet or MetaTask platform, right? So what you do is this is the link to the airdrop. This is the link to the airdrop. What you need to do is just to copy. This is the link to the airdrop. So what you need to do is just to copy the link. So once you copy the link, then you are going to head to TrustWallet. This is my TrustWallet app, right? So this is my TrustWallet app. So then the next thing you're gonna do for you to claim it, because I want you to know is that this coin is going to worth $200, right? It's going to worth $200 by the time you get to the market. So I want you to follow me the step by step, how to claim this free coin. So the next thing you're gonna do is just to come to DApp. You see DApp right here. So just click on DApp. So once you click on DApp, then the airdrop link. So we're gonna do is just to place it right here. You're gonna see this box right here. So just place it there. So paste down. So you can see that the website is loading right now. So the next thing you're gonna do when it's loading is just to click on this. You have to change this icon to smart chain icon. So just click on it, then you're gonna see smart chain icon. This is smart chain icon, so you're going to change to that one. So just click on the smart chain icon. All right, so as you can see, the next thing you're gonna do is just to scroll down. So you will see that this is claim 10 Binance Earn token, right? So, and one thing I want you to know, as I said earlier, is that when it gets listed, according to the platform right here, said this thing is going to be listed at $20 per token, as you can see it right here. Okay, so it means when you get listed and you claim 10 token, it means that you're going to get like $200. So right, so now what you need to do next is just to click on this claim 10 BEN token. So just click on it. Then the next thing is just to click on connect right here. Okay, so I'm clicking on connect to connect the TrustWallet and the this website together. So as you can see that the smart contract code is now loading. All right, so as you can see, this is how it's gonna be now. The next thing you're gonna do right here is just to click on approve, right? So I'm gonna click on approve. So, and one thing about this is that it depends on how much you have on your smart chain BNB. So you can claim it multiple times, maybe once, 2 times, 3 times. It depends on you. So as you can see that I just claimed it. Now what I'm going to do next is just to come to this place. I close it, that one. Then I come to wallet right here. So when I click on wallet, then the next thing I'm going to do is just to copy the contract address. This is the contract address. So this contract address and all this information, you are going to see them under the description under this video. Then if you're in my group, that is my Telegram group, you're going to see this information there for you. But if you're not in my group yet, please, I want you to kindly click on the link, group link, and so that I can join you, so I can also be benefiting what people that they are benefiting. So then you can see that. So I just copy the contract address, then I go back to this place. Then the next thing you're going to do is just to click on these 2 lines right here. So once you click on that 2 line, then you need to scroll down. You need to scroll down. So you see add custom token. You can see this is add custom token. Then just click on add custom token. Then you're going to change this Ethereum icon to smart chain. You're going to change that one to smart chain, as you can see. Then you're going to click on paste. So I can see it's supposed to pop up right here immediately, but so you can see that's pop up immediately. So then the next thing you are going to do now is just to click on done, like this one. Click on done. So once you click on done, so it will start showing how many coins that we actually claimed. Done. All right, so you can see, so it will show us how many BNB that we actually claimed. So let me just refresh it so that it can show us how many BNB that we claimed. So all right, so as you can see that it just showed us that we just claimed 10 BNBE token, free token, right? So guys, that is how the step-by-step that you are going to go through to claim your free coin as well. And this is so we're talking about $200 when it gets to the market. Okay, so we're talking about $200 when you get to the market in your Trust Wallet. So then if you also want to earn more, also want to earn more, it's very, very simple, right? It's very, very simple. All you need to do is just to go to the come to your wallet right here. You come to your wallet right here. So when you get to your wallet, you're going to see smart chain, and you're going to see smart chain. So just click on smart chain, then you're going to copy this link. You can see copy right here. So once you copy that link there, then the next thing you're going to do is just to go to that is if you want to tell your friends, and because if you tell your friends about this token, definitely you too, you're going to earn more. You're going to earn like 50%. If your friend get 10 BNB, they'll give you 5 BNB for telling your friend to claim this free token. So then what you're going to do is just to click on this, go to that link again. Once you get to that link, you can see that it's loading. So when you get to that link, so you have to scroll down. So you see where it said input your BP20 wallet address. Once you click, so you have to paste your wallet, that you copied the other time, and then you have to click on get referral link. Then you have to click on copy. So once you copy it like that, so you just need to be sharing. You just need to share it with your friends. Once you share it with your friends, as you can see, that this guy said they're going to earn 50% BNBE per referral, 50% BNBE per referral. So it means if you refer a friend, you are going to earn 50 BNB. When your friend gets 10 BNB, you are going to accumulate 5 with your phone, making 50. So if you refer like 20 friends, that is how many BNB? That is 100. It means you are going to earn 100. And when this thing gets to the market, you know how much is that is going to be. So guys, this is what I have for you today. So, and if you are new to this channel, please, I want you to click on the subscribe button and click on the notification bell so that whenever I drop a valuable content like this, you'll be one of those people that YouTube is going to notify that I didn't just drop another video on this channel. Thank you very much.